This is how to assemble the SONOS ONE Premium Floor Stand. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 base plate screws, 1 tube connector, 4 floor spikes, 4 felt feet, 1 speaker holder, 1 base plate, and 2 aluminum tubes. Please be reminded that only one product is shown in this video. For the twin pack, your order will include twice the quantity of each part. Now let's start assembling the floor stand. Start by removing the base plate screws from the aluminum tube. Then insert the speaker's power cable through the base plate and through the first aluminum tube. Next, insert the tube connector, then continue threading the cable through it. Continue guiding the cable through the second aluminum tube. Once the cable is through, connect the 2 sections. After that, connect the aluminum tube to the base plate, then lock it in place with the base plate screws. You can install the provided floor spikes at this point for added stability and aesthetic appeal, or you can use the provided felt feet for smoother flooring types. Now, wedge the power cable into our new and improved power lock, which secures the speakers more tightly and securely than previous designs. Next, insert the speaker holder into the aluminum tube. Lastly, connect the speaker to the power cable, then put it in place on the stand. This floor stand has a total height of 43 inches, or 109.5 centimeters, from the bottom of the stand to the top of the speaker.